Hello everyone, this is Betty from ORIEMAC. We keep supplying China top brands construction machines from 2008 year. Today we are going to our warehouse to check machines which is ready to be shipped. Let's go! Here is our warehouse near to Shanghai Port. Here is 50 units tires, 1 unit skid steer loader, and 1 unit road roller. They will be loaded into 1 unit 50 high container and be shipped to Jamaica soon. This is XCMG XC740K skid steer loader. Let me have a brief introduction. This bucket is a 4-in-1 bucket and its rated load is 750 kilograms. XCMG skid steer loader is multifunctional. Here, it can install many different tools like a fork, backhoe digger, twister drill, and a snow sweeper, etc. After XCMG skid steer loader, let's have a look on the LUTONG brand single drum road roller. The road roller model number is LTS208H. And the operating mass is 8 tons. Besides, the engine is world-famous Cummins brand. It gives great power. This black part is water tank sprinkler to avoid asphalt stick on the roller. Besides, Sheepfoot is also available and removable. China brands construction machinery is sharing more and more market in the world. As you see, ORIEMAC is a professional exporter for 12 years. Choose ORIEMAC, power your business. See you next time.